Hello and welcome to another tutorial for BlackBoard Ultra. So in this tutorial, we're going to be looking and seeing how to move items or content around in your course. That seems to be one of the questions sometimes that people seem to not be able to get a hold of it right. Essentially, it's almost the same as in Blackboard Learn, where you grab an item and drag it. The thing here is that you have to actually put your cursor. So if you notice here, I'm going to put my cursor here in this module 5. Move to the right. Now I see those little arrows. If you click on the arrows, right, now notice that it'll actually let you move it, drag and drop it anywhere you want. So I moved it up before module week 4 and it's there right now. Okay, the same thing with the folder. If you have folder, any item you have, you can do that. Now let's say you started working with folders and you want to start working with modules. Well, you create a module, right, like the one I have here, and again, it can be on top. I'm just going to move it back down to the bottom so you can see that it is really this simple. And then if you stay too long on a module, you're going to notice that it will open up and then you can move things around. Again, your mouse is what's controlling this. So notice here I have some items inside my module 4. If I open up module 5, that one's empty. Right, well, I put one document in here that says overview. Remember, you can always make it visible by clicking on there. I'm going to go ahead and open up my folder and notice that it has an assignment and a discussion. If I want to move that into my module now, right, all I have to do the same thing. I can actually move from a folder into a module. So notice I'm going to grab that one, bring it up here, and then put it in here, right? So you can put it at the beginning, right, of the item, or you can put it after the items you have in there. If you have more than one item, you can put it between it. But what I'm going to do now is select the discussion and do the same thing with the discussion, right? I'm going to move it up here. I'm going to put it in here, right? And you see now it has a discussion in there. Now my folder is still here, but notice that it's empty now. It's asking to input content if you want to, right? If you want to delete your folders, right, you can just go here to the 3 dots, click on them and delete, and it'll delete your folder. And now you have your items all inside a module, and you can move within the module as well, right? So let's say I grab the assignment here and I want to do that before the discussion. All I do is drag it up and now I have overview, assignment, discussion. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helps you out with how to move items around in your course. And I'll try to add more videos as I get some questions on different things.